Grids are found all throughout 6-bit. Each of the major modes has a grid, and you'll also find grids in places like the event log, or when managing purchase histories, there's a grid there. But no matter where you find a grid in 6-bit, they're all going to have a subset of the same functionality. Now, one of the common things you might want to do with a grid is to simply resize a column. You can also reorder columns. And in the major modes, you can even choose between this simple grid view, which gives you a lot of data, or a larger grid view, which shows you less data, but shows it to you in a larger size. Another thing you might want to do is you might want to export data from your grids. So I'm going to select several rows here and go up and choose Export Selected Items. When exporting, you have the option to export to either Excel or to a CSV file. CSV stands for Comma Separated Values File, and it's simply each column separated by a comma. And then when exporting, you have the option to include the column headers as the first row of your exported file, or to open the file after creating it. So we'll go ahead and export this file to Excel, and I'll type in a name, test export 3, open it up, and there it is in our Excel file. Another thing you might notice about the grids and the major modes is that up here in the right corner, you're always going to see the number of items that are in the view and then the number of items that are selected.